There we go. Sorry about that. Somebody came to the door with a package, so I had to answer it. All right, so hopefully I'll be smart enough and be able to put this together. Not sure if this is going to work because I put the ink on and didn't have anything to stick it down with. No, is that right? Anyway, yeah. Anyway, I'm not sure how it's going to work, but it's all, as I said, it's all an experiment. Okay, so I'm going to spray this again. First, I think I will put a bit of color in here, just in case it doesn't have enough. Not really sure how well this is going to work, but it's okay. That's what I say every time I do it anyway. I'm like, is it going to work? Don't have a clue. Okay. Let's get some yellow in here. I will say these are kind of handy because they don't need a pipette, but you know what? The pipette's really easy to use. So I like to mix red in yellow in with purple because I love what happens. I love that brown color. And it tends to look really organic to me. Anyway, that's what I think about it. I think I'll put a little bit of green. This one's sap green. So we'll see what this comes out to be, like we always would, right? Ouch. Okay, so that's enough for that one. I'm not going to put anything else in there. And now just need the plastic wrap. Not sure how that funny little this thing here will look. It's probably just going to be a blob if it even shows up at all. That's one of the things about this is, again, you don't really know what you're going to get, but I never know what it's going to do while it's been sitting. There we go. Oops. I'm a messy person. Okay, so that is that. Sometimes when I think, the ones that I think look awesome, they turn out to not be awesome. So I really have no idea. I have no way to tell you what the best way to do this is because I haven't figured it out. I haven't done enough tests, but I do really enjoy this process, so these ones is just going to be plain, sorry, not plain, but just a bunch of cool excuse me, shapes, just and simple, hopefully simple leaves, not too many. Do one other one. Oh, this one was so cool. I'm just going to put it down even though it's already been used before. I'm going to put it this way because that's the way to want to go. Okay, so what can I do? Yeah, okay. Just spray it a tiny bit because, but not as much as I usually do. Okay, so I'm just gonna see if I can get it to somewhat stick-ish. You kind of have to go out and get your leaves in the morning. I put these in a plastic bag yesterday and they seem to be holding up okay, but you can't let them dry because then they curl up and don't want to play anymore. Okay, so then ink. This one has got blue, so I'm going to put blue. I'm just going to use, again, mostly, I might put some powder or some sort of I might put gold in this one before I close it up, but I'm going to just use no brush show this time, which is what I did on the second one, on the last one. Okay. All right. I don't remember if I told you about, I might have gotten confused or distracted, which is all part of getting older, I gotta say. If you have things that have leaves that have holes in them, they make a really nice, they can make a really nice pattern. Okay, here's that one. Now I'm gonna do pure purple. That one was, the one I first did was a blue violet. This one's what I would call like a neutral purple. So it's an equal combination of both. Probably not that much, it's too much purple. Okay, now I'm gonna switch to blue and green. And I'm gonna use, how about phthalo green? This is phthalo green, which is blue green. Not sure how it will do, but I'm gonna try it. Okay, so and I'm gonna put a bit of yellow in it because, you know, that's me. Oops. Okay. I think I probably put way too much in, but it's me. I want some sort of green, so I might just use that light green, acidy green. The nice things about those pipettes too is that they clean very well, or you can just sort of use them perpetually. Okay, that should be enough because I think I'm way overdoing it, and we'll see. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm gonna use some gold this time. There you go. Okay. So this one is actually acrylic. So, but I'm going to put, it just is so pretty. There. Ooh, that's gonna be pretty. So I was using PH Martins, but now I've got a different, this is calligraphy gold, but it's, I got it at Michael's, but it was pretty reasonable and quite a bit in it. So that's why I got it. And I like really bright gold rather than gold that's pale. I like everything bright. So, all right, this is the second one. And there we go. Okay. I have really no idea how this is going to turn out either. Okay, there we go. Pretty, pretty, pretty so far. This one's going to be a weird one. See what happens? I love that. Oh my gosh. There. Okay. There we go. I watched this, I just was thinking, I watched this weird show called, I think it's now called Cooking with Dave, but he used to do, he does AI recipes that he's not really a cook, he's a train wreck actually in the kitchen, but he just doesn't prepare and he just kind of goes with whatever it is. And so that is what I feel like today. I feel like I'm Dave. So just kind of like painting with Kathy. This is Kathy doing experiments. I'm by no means somebody who knows what she's doing half the time. Okay, so that's that. Last one is going to be the mineral paper. All right, shutting down, and I'll show you again. I will show you how they look or how I prepare them to dry.